Hello everyone, this is Luciana with Motion Craft, and today we're super excited to introduce our new Flipbook Animation Stamp Kit. How fun and exciting it is that now you can make your own flipbooks using stamps. We love watching this cute unicorn jumping up and down as you flip the pages. So in this kit you will get the paper packs, the clips, and the unicorn stamp set. We've designed the stamp set thinking about the motion of the finished flipbook. So you have a few different things that you can make the unicorn do. What I'm showing here is that for this one, I'm just going to make him jump and then have some stars falling down. So what I'm going to do is go from frame 1 to 6 and then make 6 go a little bit higher and then go back 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So also frame number 7 and 8, as you can see they're labeled, you can make it run like by just stamping 7 and 8 back and forth. So it's very cute, and then it's a lot of fun just trying to see the different movements and animations that you get by combining the different stamps. So another thing that I'm showing here that we thought how to make it easier for you to align the different stamps in the different frames and sequence is to have the base of the stamp aligned with the corner base of your index card of your flipbook. And then so as you stamp, you just align the bottom and the right side of it, and then the unicorn will create its own movement and animation. So let's say frame number 1 and frame number 6 are stamped at the same position using the base and the right side as the reference, but frame number 6 will be higher than frame number 1. I also recommend putting back the stamp once you use it, just to keep it organized and you know which one is which frame. We did put a little notch on the top left just for your reference. I know that you can just match it with the image, but sometimes just having that as a reference also helps. Here I'm just having a little bit of fun, just showing how 1 and 2 are super cute when you just flip them a little bit fast, and you can already see that there is some change and some kind of movement. One important thing to do is to number your pages. So as soon as you stamp or before you stamp that frame, just make sure that you write a little number on some part of your flipbook page so you can always put them in order. What's really fun about this stamp set is that you can create your own unique flipbook. Also here you can see that all the different stamps have a slight change, so you can create a very smooth animation. It's a good idea to have in mind what kind of finished animation you want to have in your flipbook. It's very fun to think about all the different things that the unicorn can do. We can make him jump up and down, we can make him run and then jump, and all sort of combinations. So I can't wait to see your finished flipbook and your finished animation. So here I'm stamping frame number 6, and now you can see the difference between frame number 1 and frame number 6, and see the unicorn that's jumping and then the one that's standing right at the base of your flipbook page. If you want, you just can go ahead and go back with frame 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 just to make it go back. But what I'm doing here is just using the same frame for 6 and then going ahead and stamping it a little bit higher so you can really see a jump as you're flipping your pages. For frame number 8, I'm going to use the same stamp and align the base of my paper with the base of the stamp. And here you can see how using the same stamp you can create the illusion of the unicorn jumping a little bit higher. Then for the following frames, I'm just going to go back with 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 to make it go back to the start position. What's really fun about having the stamp set to create your flipbook is that you can create your flipbook as long as you want. For this specific flipbook, I only used 13 frames, so you don't need to make it super long to see the animation. Also, what's really fun about this Flipbook Animation Stamp Set is that you get the little stars, the little hearts, the rainbow that can change colors as you flip your pages, the balloon, and an ABC. And the ABC is super fun because you can just start stamping letter by letter, whatever you want to say. You can put happy, happy day, or anything that you actually want. You can spell a name, anything that you actually want to say. You can put letter by letter, and the frames will show your final message. So before adding the stars, I wanted to test the 13 frames that I already stamped just to see if you can see the animation and if you can see the unicorn is jumping up and down. I think it's super cute how the expression of the unicorn changes and even the hair goes up and down, like giving more motion and animation as you flip the pages. One tip about putting together your flipbook is that the first time you test it, it might give you a little bit of resistance, but that's going to give once you keep flipping through it. So what I'm doing here is just moving the pages a little bit, kind of like a ramp, let's say, and then you have the first page a little bit before than the last page, and it's easier to flip through the pages with your thumb. So I keep doing it a few more times just to make sure I don't skip any of the frames and I can see all of the stamps as I'm flipping through it. I love watching the unicorn go up and down. It just makes me so happy. So I decided to add some stars falling down just to add some more fun elements as you're flipping your flipbook. I'm going to start by using the smallest of the stars, and then I'm going to put a little piece of paper as a mask so only a little bit of the star shows, and then in the second frames it just goes a little bit lower. And then I keep stamping a little bit lower each time. One thing that worked for me is that I used the previous frame on top of the one that I was stamping as a reference to align it vertically, and then the other frame on the side of it just to see how much lower should I go. It doesn't have to be so precise, but you just want to make sure that they are going a little bit lower so as you're flipping you can see that they're falling down. I love how the pink stars look, so now I'm going for the second round using the medium star, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did with my pink stars. Just start at the top, masking the beginning of them, and then going lower and lower with each frame. I love how the flipbook works, and it's so cute seeing the unicorn going through the stars. It's so much fun. So I decided to finish the stars using the smallest of the stars again, this time with just the purple color, and then doing the same thing, going lower and lower in each frame. I love it. I love how you can see the stars going down and the unicorn jumping up and down with the hair flowing. So it's super cute. The last thing we have to do is color our unicorn and our flipbook is ready. I had a lot of fun coloring the flipbook. I remember when we were doing the animation stamps and people were saying, oh, I miss coloring, I like to practice my coloring, or how can we add more color to the projects. So I think we developed these flipbook kits also having that in mind. We love hearing your feedback, we love hearing your comments, and we take those into consideration for our next product development, or when we're thinking what can we do next, and how can we have more fun and mix and match stamps. And I think this is fun. I only use 4 colors to do the whole unicorn. So because we have like so many different frames, you can shade if you want, you can do more with it, but I just wanted to show you that you don't need to be an expert in coloring and anything. You just go ahead, pick your fun colors, and you can finish your flipbook the way you want. I had a lot of fun doing this project, and I hope to see many of your flipbooks and many of your different ideas. I can't wait to see all the different animations, combinations that you do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy using our new Flipbook Animation Stamp Kit. And how fun is it that you can use stamps to create flipbooks? So to finish my flipbook, I decided to make a cover for it. So I decided to stamp the unicorn one more time and color it and fussy cut around it. One of the great things that I love about these new Flipbook Animation Stamp Kits is that you can use these stamps as regular stamps in your planners, in your cards, in your scrapbooking layouts. So we finished coloring everything and our flipbook is ready. We're ready for the action and to see the motion and the unicorn jumping up and down, the stars going down. Everything is happening at the same time. I am so excited of how this looks, and this is only with 13 frames. Imagine all the different things that you can do by combining the stamps, repeating them, changing them around. So many things. I'm very excited to see all your flipbooks and all the different ideas of the animations that you come up with. I hope you have a lot of fun making your flipbook using our new Flipbook Animation Stamp Kit. If you have any more ideas about what else we can do for flipbooks, what else do you think, oh my god, this will be so much fun to have it as a stamp to make a flipbook, please leave us a comment and then we'll work on it for sure. Thank you again for watching.